Hello friends, welcome to the RTM channel. So as you can see on the title, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a fox. Now, get your paper and pen, and also you can use marker and crayon if you want, and then let's get started. First, I'm gonna draw a curvy line. Leave a space and draw a curvy line goes down. Do the same on this side. And connect them by drawing curvy line again. For the ears, draw a line goes up and curved back down. For the inside of the ear, draw a small curvy line like this. Now I'm gonna draw the fur on his chest. And then draw a line goes down for the leg. Slightly curved on the edge. And bring it up. Draw a short line for the chest. And then draw the other front leg. Draw a curvy line just like this for the back leg. Bring it out and curve it down. And bring it up for the back body. Next, for the tail, I'm gonna draw a curvy line goes up and curve back down. After that, I'm gonna draw the eyes by drawing two circles and add a curvy line on the inside. Drawing oval shape for the nose. Draw two curvy lines for the mouth. Draw a curvy line across his face. Add a line for the leg. And wobbly line for the top of his tail. I'm using orange marker to color in the fox. I'm gonna fast forward this step. You can pause it if you miss something. Okay, now we're finished.